Hello, this is Chris back again with another video. I'm at the park with my boys. I keep track of them, so I may get distracted while I'm giving you an intro. I got Ian over there, he's digging in the sand, and I got Tristan on the, not the horse, but whatever you call it, the horse swing. And we got Andreas here playing some soccer. We're going to play some soccer together while we're using the Spark. I want to see how I could use the gesture controls and maybe have it follow me. I think I have that gesture down. I got it to work one time, and other times it didn't work out because maybe it was too bright or too dark or something like that. But anyway, we're going to be doing that. I only have one video card because the other video card's in the Mavic. So, but let me show you what I have in the bag. Okay. So this came with the DJI Fly More combo, and this is what is in the bag. So I did 3D print in my latest video this guy right here, right? So this fits over the camera and it protects it in the bag. But I do want to print something for the propellers so it will basically lock into place. And I think I found something on Thingiverse that will do the job, but we'll see. Okay, so it's pretty easy to take it off, like so. Looks like everything's clean. Alright, I want to make sure the controller's on. Alright, controller is on. Putting the antenna up. Okay. And then I want to connect my phone. Alright. So now I need to use the memory card, so I'm going to turn this off. So I got pretty much everything set up. I had some updates and stuff that I had to deal with, obviously. So I'm going to start recording now on the thing too. So before we start, I'm going to this way, which I love.
Phase aware successful. Aircraft will take off. Take off.
Okay. Alright, so let's give you a grand tour of the place. So they really need to fix up this soccer field, but I don't know. I kind of get still. Alright, so plenty of times with my Mavic Pro, and there seems to be a lot of Wi-Fi interference, but I went on the channel 11, and it seemed like it was fine. But it was sunny, but then now the humidity started building up, and now it's pretty cloudy. So the venture over here, signal's still pretty good. Yeah. Got the pedal to the metal, or the throttle down. It doesn't go very fast when it's in GPS mode, but I want to stay in GPS mode because of the interference. But yeah, I really love flying around this marsh over here. So yeah, with Wi-Fi and in Europe, I think the FCC or whatever really limits the Wi-Fi transmission. Doesn't affect the Mavic, but it certainly affects the Wi-Fi for other devices like the Parrot Bebop. All these nice trees, they're all green now. Is it gonna come? Oh, it's just tracking me, okay. Alright, so if I want it to... So I'm just gonna have it track us right there. Alright. Just a little bit. Yeah, it's turning into a small loop. See how it's doing here. Okay. So I'll turn off active track.
Palm control in process.
Now it's doing it. Alright. Put that down.
Landing.
I want to have a drone like that too.
Okay, I'm back again, and like I said, I want to basically make something for my propellers for the Spark. Maybe I can do something for the DJI Mavic Pro as well, but for right now I'm kind of happy with the clip that I made for the DJI Mavic Pro. You can go check it out. It's in one of my videos somewhere. I actually had to make another one because it just wore out, basically. I've been using it a lot. But this seems to be pretty rigid. I did change a few things in Tinkercad, like this part here. I made it tighter. In the videos that I've seen where another person designed this, it seemed pretty loose. So in Tinkercad, which is free, because I don't have AutoCAD, I was able to make this a bit tighter, like by like 0.1, 0.2, something like that. I'm going to try that, and if it doesn't fit, then I'll just tinker with it again and go from there. So anyway, hopefully this works. Okay, so the print came out okay. This is the second print that I did. The first print, it wasn't working. I can fix it though with a bit of sanding, but I just decided to print it again, and I messed with it on Tinkercad and made these a bit wider so the propellers could fit in there. I do plan to sand both of them and just make it work. This will be my backup once I finish sanding it. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and more videos to come. Thank you very much.